Like, it's a
So what then forced you to leave?
different coaches,
Mm-hmm.
different mindset, different structure, bringing in the club, different like opinions on football, ideas and everything. All of that is part of professional football life.
Right.
And then, you know, maybe you as a football player you're working and you uh, like fitting well in that team, but you have other types of coaches that coming and going and coming with new ideas, bringing new ideas, and they want to bring something new into the club.
Yeah.
And it wasn't just me, like lots of players at that time left the club.
Yeah.
So it wasn't really like performance and everything, but from my perspective is that they just had new ideas that they want to bring it into the club. Yeah.
Just so that people are not confused, let's talk about it. I mean, you've moved on. Chiefs is a closed chapter. So a coach comes in, like you're saying, that it's new people, maybe a different way of doing things. Who was the coach then that you believe was maybe not understanding your style or your contribution?
The coach that came was Artur Svanne.
Yeah.
All due respects to him, to all of them. He was with us like from beginning, from the first season. He was in the club. He knew me as a player and everything. It's not really about whether coach is bad for me or good for me. It's about that kind of ideas that they have. You know, like you have new coaches, they're coming. So he came with his technical team, and they probably had some idea to starting something new, with starting something new into like bringing something new in the club, and that kind of things results lots of players leaving the club. That's from my perspective, my point of view on what was happening.
But do they speak to you, though? I mean, you're a top striker at Kaizer Chiefs. You're that guy that comes in, 13 goals, 6 assists in your first season that you're there. That is not an easy thing. But do they sit down and chat to you and say, listen, Samir, we're trying to do things differently. Maybe we are not going for the long ball. Maybe we're just changing things. Something. Was there no communication?
As a striker, the way I experience in my professional career is you can score 20 goals and then going into 3 weeks not scoring goals, you're not, you know, you're
not good anymore.
You say it well.